Now students, we will balance each and every ledger account according to the rules of balancing. Now since purchase account is related to the goods, that means related to real account, but it is related to goods, so the balancing figure will be transferred to trading account. Now in purchase account we have only at one side, that is on debit side we have 2,50,000, and on credit side we don't have any transaction to post, so we'll simply write it as by trading account 2,50,000, and this will be posted to transfer to trading account. Now trading account is an account that relates to the income to the expenses and the gains relating to the production of goods and services. Okay, so simply we'll transfer this to the trading account. Now comes the balancing of sales account. Now sales account, we have got two transactions, so we just add up the credit side of sales account and it gives us 8,20,000, and debit side there is no transaction, so we'll simply write the balancing figure and transfer to the trading account, that is 8,20,000, and you have to close the account by drawing double line. This I have discussed previously also. Now here we have C limited account. C limited is our creditors, so here the rule is that we have to transfer the balancing figure as balance CD, and then we will bring that on the next opening date on like balance BD. Okay, so now we find that debit side is debit side has no transaction, so debit side is lesser than the credit side, so credit side amount will be transferred here as to balance CD carried down, and then we have to close this ledger account by double line, and then we will on the first day of the next accounting year, that is Jan 1 2011, will simply transfer or brought down this balance to the for the next accounting period. So by balance BD rupees 2,50,000. Okay, now P limited account. P limited also same thing, it is a personal account, so we have to balance it as balance CD. So the debit side shows 3,20,000 while the credit side has nothing, so on the last day on December 31st we have to balance it as by balance CD rupees 3,20,000, and this balance will be brought down to the next opening date Jan 1 2011 to balance BD 3,20,000. Now children, we will balance cash account. Now cash account, both the side we have some posting. Okay, so first of all we will add up both the sides, and we will find that here we have debit side as 5 lakh, and here we have credit side as 10,000. So if the debit side exceeds the credit side, we call it as debit balance. So now on the last date, the 31st December 2010, we have to balance it. So by balance CD 4,90,000, and this balance will be again carried down on Jan 1 2011 as balance BD. Okay, now furniture account also same thing, it is a real account, so by balance CD we will have to write here 10,000 in the credit side as it is lower than the debit side, and furniture account also shows us a debit balance. So and this new balance is being brought down for the next accounting year as 10,000. Okay,